Hey, this is Charlie Allred, and I'm really excited. I'm here with a couple of our homeowner clients who have just completed their short sale successfully, Casey and Janine. And yay! So, number one, I'm going to ask you, why did you guys choose to short sell your home?
Well, we chose a short sale. We purchased our house in 2007. In the market crash, and we're completely underwater with our house. We looked at all the options, refinancing, and all that, and we felt short sale would be the best bet for our family.
It wasn't our intention ever to do that. When we first bought our home, we were thinking that it was going to be an investment and something that we would be able to like fix up this home and even sell it for more money than what we had paid for it. And it was devastating when that time came, when the market crashed and we found ourselves having to make some really serious choices. It was definitely nothing that we had planned on, and we felt kind of caught in the middle with this decision. But it was the best decision that we made.
Okay, and how did your short sale go for you?
Overall, the short sale, going into it, I thought it'd be a pretty stressful, long, drawn-out process. But dealing with secure real estate, it was very stress-free. Charlie and Kelly handled everything on their end. Basically, all we had to do was, initial some papers here and there and send them paperwork, and it was, a very, very easy process.
I was surprised at how easy it was, actually. I thought it was going to be really emotionally tolling, but it wasn't at all. It was easy to do, and Kelly and Charlie were always telling us where we were in the process, and I never felt like, where are we now? Where are we now? We knew there was going to be a lot of waiting, but the waiting actually went by pretty quickly, and it was actually paced out nicely enough for us to sell the home, get our things out, and be into our new home now.
So do you feel like you're getting yourself back on track and getting your family ahead by doing the short sale, and now you're in a rental and you're going to be able to buy a new home in 2 years? Are you happy about that? And do you feel like that happened? Sorry.
Yeah, definitely. Again, we were basically throwing money away on our other house. It lost half its value. Again, just the investment was not worth hanging onto the house. So, to get this, the process taken care of and get it done now, while we're, at this age, younger and not hang on to the house, and our child's young now. So hopefully after the 2 years, we're able to purchase a new home.
I think that we should be homeowners. That's really how we feel. But you have to think of being kind of a pride swallower and saying, just for right now, this is going to be brief. The home that we purchased was never supposed to be our forever house. And so, that's okay. We're okay with that, and we're happy with our decision. We feel like this is the best decision for our family, and it may not be the best decision for every family, but I think that if you're in that position and it's something that you're highly considering, do it, and do it now. Don't wait another month, don't wait another week, don't wait another day. Do it right now.
Okay, now we kind of answered that, but what stopped you guys from doing it sooner? Because you knew your house was obviously, lost half its value, and that's huge, that's a big deal. But I know there are some obstacles, some things you have to overcome to decide to move forward.
Yeah, a lot of it was we wanted to keep the house. We wanted to still be homeowners. We've also heard about, your credit score going bad, and, how long would it be bad for, and things of that nature. But after we did our homework and talked to our current mortgage provider, they were not willing to work with us. So this was our best step moving forward.
It was, for a while, we couldn't even look on Zillow to see what our home value was because it was scary, and it is. But once you face the music and you say that, it's just a house. It's not your life, and it's part of your life, but you have to figure out and you have to figure out the value of your money, and you have to figure out the value of what you're willing to sacrifice for a little while. And for us, it wasn't worth it to stay in a home that was just bleeding us dry.
It
pretty much.
just wouldn't have been a good business, basically a business decision
Yeah.
for us to hang on to the house and
Yeah.
continue paying a mortgage that was going nowhere.
Yeah. So your takeaway is that you're happy. You're in a new home that you're liking, you're loving, and really you're looking forward to the future.
Definitely. We closed today, so you know it's a great day.
Perfect. Thank you.
We're definitely not embarrassed to say that we've short sold our house. In fact, we're pretty proud to say that we're done with it. And people understand. We've never gotten a negative response about like, what, you've short sold your home. People are very understanding and they know what you're going through. So just do it, you know, if
Yeah.
you need to get it done.
And it's the best decision for your family, which is really
For
the
our family.
most important part.
Yes, definitely.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you.